Welcome in the hands-on microservices with Spring Boot 2. My name is Tomasz Żelek and I am a software engineer programming mostly in Java and Scala. I am a fan of microservices architecture and functional programming. I was working with Spring Boot on production for 5 years. We had an ecosystem of hundreds of microservices. So let's see what we'll learn throughout this course. We'll start from introduction to microservices and Spring. We'll see some code and we'll see how to start a simple microservice. Next will be building RESTful interfaces with Spring Boot. We will be investigating HTTP API and try to call it using REST template. Next we will see at the principles how the microservices should be designed. So we will be looking at the domain-driven design and how we can split things within our context. Next we'll be focusing on the testing of our whole app and security. So we will be configuring proper security in Spark. In the last section, we will see how to run your services and how to ship them into the production. There are a couple of prerequisites, so you need to have an understanding of Java and HTTP. Simple understanding is okay. For software requirement, you need only IntelliJ IDE. Hardware requirements in a modern laptop or desktop. This course is for developers who want to build complex microservices in the Spring ecosystem. Basic understanding of the Spring ecosystem and Java programming is needed. Now knowledge of the microservice architecture is required. So if you want to code to build robust and fault-tolerant system with Spring and want to learn how to design and develop microservices and RESTful web services with Spring Boot and Spring Cloud, this course is for you. Let's go through the key features of this course. So this is a hands-on guide to learn the tools and techniques needed to create reliable microservices. We will learn microservice architecture and we'll see how to deploy RESTful interfaces with Spring MVC. We'll be applying domain-driven design principles and building complex microservices in the Spring ecosystem.